So today we got a bunch of mail time stuff to open up. Most of it's going to be from ComplexCon and stuff that I picked up in LA during the trip. But probably like one of the best things that's going to be opened up is this box right here. Well, maybe the second best thing opened up. But I was super stoked copying this, man, and I don't know. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. You guys are going to be stoked. So anyway, stay tuned. Mail time is coming up right after this. YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, coming at you once again with another mail time. This mail time is going to be a little bit different because a lot of it is stuff that I've actually picked up at ComplexCon, so it's not really mail. Well, I guess technically it's still mail because I need to ship it from the mainland to over here, but I've actually seen the items already and I know what's in the boxes, so it's a little bit different. There is one box, however, that I am super stoked over. That is this one. Obviously, you guys know this is from Sneakers, and if you guys follow my social medias, you probably know what it is, but if you guys don't, it's lit. It's gonna be a freaking crazy shoe. Anyway, back to what I was talking about. We're gonna be doing the ComplexCon openings. If you guys didn't know, I did go up to ComplexCon in Long Beach. I actually posted my vlog somewhere up here, I think. You guys can check that out if you guys want to. But we were able to cop a couple stuff. It seemed like I only took L's on that video, but the gift shop actually had quite a lot of things that I wanted. So that's all actually in this box. So what's kind of cool is that Zen, like that Find Zen app, which apparently they were giving away, like I swear, like $100,000, $200,000, $300,000 worth of shoes. That was in the vlog as well. They were also doing free shipping for stuff. I really have no idea what their business model is or what they even do, but it seems like they're really good people because they're helping out everybody at ComplexCon. So I thought that was pretty cool. But yeah, that's why this box is like kind of weird and it looks a little bit different. Okay. So first things first, we got this Long Beach hoodie. You guys can see right here, it has a Murakami skulls and flowers and flames. Kind of the theme for a lot of his stuff in the artwork this year. It says that it's 1 out of 300. You can see that right there. So that's actually kind of dope. I didn't realize there was only 300 of these made. But yeah, good commemorative hoodie. And we also got the matching ComplexCon Long Beach shirts. So it's exact same design. You guys can see right here. We also got that shirt in blue. This one's a size small though. This one's actually for the girlfriend. If you guys watch the vlog, you know who that is. We also got a black and white version of another design that has like a whole bunch of like skulls and flowers. You guys can see over there. It's a lot of stuff, man. A lot of those shirts like averaged 50 to 60 bucks or something like that. I think the hoodie was like 100, which is insane for clothes. But again, it's like a once in a lifetime event, so you pretty much are obligated to spend a good amount of money at it if you can. I probably shouldn't have spent as much money as I did on it. Oh well. But if you did spend like at least $500 at the event, they gave you one of these, which was pretty freaking dope, man. It's a Herschel Murakami collab bag, and you guys can see it says ComplexCon right there. So this was probably one of the best things that I actually got from the gift shop, man, to be honest. You can't buy this normally, so you have to spend 500 bucks and then they give it to you for free. And I realized that I messed up though. I like could have hacked this, and I don't know, I completely messed up. I actually spent a rack at ComplexCon gift shop. So that would have been 2 of these bags, but yeah, I put it into 1 order, so they didn't give me 2 bags, which, I don't know, whatever. Anyway, we did get the skate decks though. I remember I was talking about in the previous video that I wanted to pick up the skate decks because you guys can see my wall art in the back, which I kind of gotta tidy up and change up a little bit. Quite a few decks, you guys can see 4. This one is probably my favorite. It's a standard black Murakami design. Again, you guys can see the skulls and you guys can see the flowers on it. And then this was a triple deck set. I remember I was talking about this as well, how I was gonna ship it. Shipping wasn't that bad. It was like 50 bucks, so it wasn't super crazy. I thought it would have been like at least 100 something because these things are heavy, man. It's like 12 pounds, I think, altogether between 4 decks. But yeah, 50 bucks, not too bad. So you guys can see right here, like it does create like a design if you like put all of them side by side. If you guys are interested in the resale value of that as well, the decks are going for, it looks like $750 on eBay now. That black one is going for like 280 and the retail was like 100 something. So there is actual resale value on these things, and again, it's because it's collectibles, and ComplexCon is not dying down. It's gonna just keep going, and I think when you look back on ComplexCon 10 to ComplexCon 3, and you see the deck set, you're gonna want it as a collectible. So it's good I picked it up early. It was kind of a large investment, but again, when you think of things like sneakers and stuff as like art in the back or like that Bape stuff, it's a good investment to me. $500 is a lot cheaper than some of the shoes in the back, so I don't know, I think it works itself out. But before we get into that last box, I'm gonna interrupt this video a little bit just because I got this package in literally like a couple hours after I finished filming this video originally. So I wanted to show you guys on mail time the new stuff that I actually picked up from today's sponsor of this video, Rose Gold and Black. I'm not sure if you guys have ever heard of Rose Gold and Black before, but they're actually like a fashion company that focuses on like bracelets and accessories like necklaces and stuff like that. And it's actually really dope because I think a lot of people overlook the fact that if you have nice sneakers on or you're wearing a Supreme Box logo, that your whole outfit is complete already. But I feel like that's not the case. You can always add a little bit more flavor to that, and I think Rose Gold and Black presents that kind of flavor. The company itself is like super premium, guys. Like check out the box that it comes in, RGB Rose Gold and Black. So it has a premium vibe to it. You open it up, there's like a leather casing. I gotta say though, that probably my favorite piece is this piece right here. It's like a feathered necklace. You guys can check that out right here on screen. And dude, it's just super sick with like whatever you're wearing, man. Like adds a little bit of pop if you're wearing a white shirt. Obviously I'm not wearing a white shirt, but you can see it against this white background that it just has a good look to it, man. And honestly, man, the pieces are just really, really nice. So if you guys want to check it out, go to the link in the description below. Use that link and it'll take you to my page on Rose Gold and Black where you'll get 25% off anything you guys purchase over there. The prices are already really good, but 25% off obviously is a lot better. So click on that link, check it out. And yeah, man, we'll be seeing a lot more of Rose Gold and Black on the channel because this is some sick stuff, dude. Check it out, link in the description. Anyway, back to the unboxing. All right, so we finally got to the box. This box, like I said, is from Sneakers, and I am super excited over this, man. Let me open it up and show you guys what it is, and then I'll tell you the story behind it because I'm just really pumped, man. Nike came through huge on this one. You guys already know what kind of box this is, man. It's a Jordan 1 box. Size 10.5. Obviously, I'm gonna get my own size for this. I do not care about the resale for it because these shoes are not for resale. They're not for resale, man. Man, these things are fire. So you guys know what these are. These are the Jordan 1s, not for resales. These did drop on Sneakers app, and the thing is that it was exclusive access only. And the way you got access is like it said in this thing over here on a notification. It's basically saying that because you buy so much shoes that Sneakers is gonna give back to you and give you the exclusive access to buy like hype sneakers, which I thought was really cool. Seemed like a lot of people, like actual real people, were hitting based off of like Twitter and from Instagram and stuff that I posted about it. And it didn't seem like bots had a chance at it because it's exclusive access when you buy a lot of shoes. I don't know a lot about bots, but I know that people have to have like a lot of accounts because you need like a lot of accounts for the bots to actually work. So a lot of those accounts don't have multiple purchases on them. They'll maybe have one, then that account dies and they have to get a new account. In that regard, it makes it very, very difficult for them to cop stuff like this when it's exclusive access based off of how much you bought. At the same time, I know a lot of people spend a lot of money on Sneakers app and they weren't given exclusive access to these things either, but from my thinking, it's a step in the right direction. And I know you guys are gonna say, well, it's because you copped, I didn't cop those, so it sucks, whatever. But this is the first time it's happened. I'm sure it'll happen again in the future, and I'm sure it'll be for even more hype shoes like Off-Whites or something, and I might not cop and you guys might cop. And I just feel like it's a good combat to bots, man. And I think it's just really dope to see like Nike being proactive on their stuff, man. Like they're trying new things. That's what's important to me. So I think this was a cool release, very, very dope. I was like really like freaking out when it happened because I was just bringing my dogs back in from a walk, got the notification, couldn't believe it. And 2 days later, I mean, they're here, man. And these are freaking nice. So you guys can see right here, it says not for resale on the midsole. On the back heel, it says no. And on the other shoe together, it says no photos. On the toe box, it says please on one side, crease on the other side. And you guys can also see the wear me on the tongues where the Nike swoosh should be. On the inside, it says general release. The second one says sorry, this pair is not numbered. Overall leather quality looks and feels really, really good too. So overall, just a very, very solid shoe. It's supposed to be like a little knock at resellers, but what's funny is that the resale of these things are actually really high. For the red pair, I think it's like $450 to like $500, $600. And these red shoes actually had a counterpart, which is a yellow shoe, which was right here. And that is correct. If you guys did not know, I actually copped the yellow pairs as well to complete the set. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. That's why I was even more stoked to get the reds because I knew I already had the yellows. I had the yellows. I wanted to complete the set. I have them. Ketchup, mustard, baby, we are good. And what is crazy is that if you guys didn't watch the vlog that I posted, because I know a lot of you guys don't watch every single episode, I got these for $650, man. $150. Size 11, my size, from Round 2 store in LA. So it was really dope because at the time, that was like kind of expensive. In the vlog, you'll see me like talk about it like, man, I don't know if I should buy this. Like, it's close to kind of what the resale is right now. And then literally like the next day it shot up to 900 bucks and freaking out because I was like, man, that's a come up. That's a huge come up. I got these for 650, which it seems like a lot, but now if you want these, especially in like a smaller size, they're like 1,200 bucks. Honestly, I like this colorway a lot better than this. And it's not because of resale value, it's just because there's not too many Jordans with like a distinct yellow on it. So yeah, definitely new pieces in the collection. So that's it for this mail time. It was a lot of money spent. My bank account is definitely hurting now. But yeah, definitely some really great cops. If you guys don't have these already, I would highly recommend it, because quality is like insane on them. But yeah, that's it for this one, guys. Thank you guys again for watching. If you guys have not already, be sure to subscribe down below. Hit that like button if you liked any of the pickups in this video, any of the pickups. But yeah, until next time, stay humble, stay blessed, take care, guys. I'll see you. Aloha. Shoots.